Nirituko rikumi na rimo ase omotinyo kabiri omwaka chiri bubere 2025 gose na 5 karibu sana ase keunga chinse 5 chia bono mugaso erito riane Matilda Obaigwa na ikaranso ike erinde chinyara komo yamanya yagendete kuroiga ase orugungu rwa guse nabo igukoro ase serikali enene nonye chinse chire isiko yense ya Kenya na nekirongo chaka ekiunga chinse 5 chia bono mugaso wancho murigirege nigongo chaka korwa ase kaunti ya Kisii ekero bono omusubati aserieta Felista akaunda kurase kenyoro kya bugeka mariba imeye bunge ya Kitutu Chacha North uyo nyalete gusiria obugima bwaye metinye 3 yaetire ase enseri ya Iraq bono nigo amate yaye yanyalire gwesokia na kuboria bali no moyo wanchukuya banyare kubakonya elio kwene kibuna omubere omusubati Felista onyalire gwikiwa ase enka yabo elio kwenigwa nabwigo nigo batebire buna nigatiete omwana ole omburoire omwana oyo bonoganetie obubwene bwetibesa chegoro gusubwate muchando obwengoro nekero yamate kuboria nonye na barai bari bakoigwa nabo konyora elio geriga banyare gosogia gose banyare kubakonya koenia omwanchobo
nole ntokorera ngaki mbari gotubwatisi imbachi gosamba omwana ito agosamba buno musariti
amarieta ngoro kurecho keneti kuruga aboge kamariba ngaki omwana oyo ne Felista kemunto kaunda ngaki asirete omenyiro mutinyo no yo gatatu wansire ngaka moranje eserikali yane narerira asemore twaganyoire
twarerire paka none ebintu byonsi byabange chiamesi twale kobera chiarusi butwebire kero none amweri kago chago tuomero bora matanga yaga erete kare usini mero binegendred
Kennedy kaunda nkoroko omwana wa Felista nero omwana no manene lakini okure omwana oyo nero ole support no nyambono wimana chikomero boro bokong na ndo omwana antiere ngocha kolenda bono igare arwari torwere wenkoro
Felista nchengo ngonya harenge bono gali asa kwirira bana baminto tingonyara goikororo nyale gumui gakimwarenge kwanja omwana oyo nalega igorwale tenera achite koligeri orwale tengoro ne familia yaye nero lenge gotema konyorole tire kogotono mu changa na matoboli achake kwagachira ngina agia bana baminto mukonye nonye ne shiringiro nye ni 10 aba omwana oli oyo orwale tegaki anyale gokonyeka nonye ne skuru gaki asome akiwutaka nubu babana bamintu bali gali bali baendete kuchandika team strong yaba balenchira gochaga kibago demonstrate abana baitu bago chandika ngumbu gali ekaro mukungu ago chandika ngo igubobe gaki bago chandika singenjo yabana
bese twachangite ntwairete tokarwe cyase Iraq batoretera omwana bono ntugaige totigarite bosa gaki tugosaba tubwatesi
abantu baberire gaige metenye bere more than 2 months twarageire abantu barosire gochagaiga paka cia macha bege tugaiga echianure
akina mabera manena aso muchioyo gotogo saba mabera gocha asemore munyare gotokonya mtuna bakenya tole twensi bono gakirende mware gotororera mabera mubero yo nyare goikagaiga
kali yetu mutawanja mondetera omwana nali muranyora abandi na barabura nyore bagaitire bagatinde
na omowakilishi bwabang'ina kurase kaunti ya Kisii Muske Doris Donya Aburi nigobono anyalire ko kwanera engana yokunererwa kwa basubati abana banyaruka nonye na abana bake ase ense ya Kenya kwana kurase bunge nene nigobono aburi buna abarosi amachiko gose ababunge babonete kuligereria injira amachiko aranyale gutingiwa naboigo abantu komanywa buna ukunererwa kwa abantu usogutacherwa nse kwa basubati nonye na abana bake tikobwanereti nande banyare kumanya ebitambukiro biri serikali ekoimokia.
Honorable Speaker, Section 2 of the Sexual Offences Act defines a sexual offence as an offence prescribed under the Act. These offences include rape, sexual assault, defilement, sexual harassment, among others. The National Policy for Prevention and Response to Gender-Based Violence defines gender-based violence as acts of gender-based violence that result in physical, sexual, or psychological harm or suffering. Therefore, sexual offences are considered to be acts of gender-based violence, which are serious, far-reaching negative offences, effects including psychological trauma, social stigmatization, infections, and unwanted pregnancies. Madam Speaker, why I'm having this bill on awareness and advocacy is because if we don't teach the masses or the public about these offenses, they will continue recurring, such that if they are given the knowledge on how they should carry themselves, we will have a safer society, Madam Speaker. For example, if we have more campaigns on sexual offenses, we will definitely teach on prevention, because if the law is spelled out clearly, many people might abide by it, hence making a safer society for our young girls.
Na umurai wikiama kia ODM museneta Oburu Odinga ni kubono anyare kura igikaro kia ODM usi abarai abanene wikiama kia ODM kia korekana ase umuchie Mombasa tinga kiecho ni kubono anyare kugikiria igati abarai ase kiamekyo kia ODM abo babire bakorokana kugenda mamincha na machiko ye kiamekyo nakira aborire barai abo banyare kuirangora na bwigo gwekanya kurinde tarigota unani go bareme ye serikali gose koba isko ya serikali.
We agreed that as a party, we are not in a hurry to say 1 term. We are not in a hurry to say 2 term. We are strengthening our party to prepare ourselves for negotiations. First, we start with our current partners, and as we move on, if we don't agree, we move on to discuss with other formations which are there, or if there is no agreement with any, we go it alone as ODM. I am not very happy that when we pass resolutions here, some of the members of this committee, some of the members of the Central Committee, who are policy makers of this party, go out to say exactly the contrary of what we have agreed in committees. It is okay if other members of our party exercise democratic right to say what they like. But really it is not right for me as a party leader to go out and shout what was not agreed and what is my own personal view, and I go and say that it is my democratic right. If it is your democratic right, then there is chaos in the country. We cannot, democracy does not mean chaos. Democracy must have some discipline. This party is a party like a club. When you join a club, you have to obey the rules of that club. You cannot disobey the rules of the club and you continue to pride yourself that I am the party leader of ODM and yet I contradict everything that ODM is saying officially. If you have anything that you agree with or you disagree with, this is a forum for you.
Wancho murire kutigana nayo na kurwase serikali ni kubono umura oyori omwaziri wocheno muske Aden Duale anyare kumochia oburai wese serikali enkoro yale kurawa no muske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta chingaki au kwana kuro ase county ya Garissa itukuri rero nigo anyare kwerubuna orogongo rwa Northern Kenya kusechi county chinyinge uchase orogongo rwoti chiavete chikonyora magendero na utauna nigo barenge watananwa kurwa ase
President Uhuru Kenyatta instructed all ministers, including the Minister for Transport then, not to attend your meetings. Si kwa vile hakutaki wewe pengine, lakini he didn't wanted the people of Northern Kenya to have this route. Today I'm happy to report sections of the road are being constructed. So tunamwambia hawa watu muko chini sana, kiakili, kiagenda, kisera, muko chini sana. Your Excellency, wewe ulipokuja hapa hii bridge, mimi na wewe tunajua tuliweka katika budget ya serikali iliyopita. Kwa sababu mimi nilikuwa rafiki yako. Walisema hakuna kujenga hii bridge. It's when you came in that today we have a new bridge that is replacing the old colonial bridge of 1960. Mimi ndaambia hawa watu, na mimi naambia jamii ya Wasomali, hasa wafanyabiashara, huyo mtu ni mkora. He is an extortionist. Msisikie maneno yake, anakuja kutafuta pesa yetu. And I am telling Rigiji, the line is drawn between you and the Somali community. We will never give you, hata ukifanya nini, senti yetu huwezi kupata. Juzi uliongea juu ya mfanyabiashara wetu mkubwa Nairobi, BPS Mall. Am I right? Uliongea juu yangu. Uliongea juu ya Nurdin. Uliongea governors wetu. We have no issues. Lakini wewe jana una
ukwana korwa ase county yo ya Garissa ase skuru nena kusase skuru ya secondary ya Garissa nigo boigo mukonye bo murai wense omoske Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nerebono anyari kubuli abasae bonsi bali bagendete konyora chibesa cyo murubiri onyota cyo gwechakiria ebwonchereria obokoboke ekira batebiri buna chibese cyo chibonete utumekwa asinchira erindonge na kwa bole buna mbabasa gwesona ni asamangana atanyari kubwagacha.
Tutahakisha kwamba tumeongeza pesa mfukoni wa mwananchi. Sasa ile pesa mfukoni ya kampeni ndio hii katika hii program ya Nyota. Ni kweli si kweli? Pesa ya Nyota ni pesa ya biashara. Sio pesa ya anasa, sio pesa ya kufanya nayo mambo mengine, ni pesa ya kufanya biashara. Na ukiwa na bongo la biashara, hii pesa ambayo mnapata, ambao kwanza leo 22,000, 3,000 iende kwa savings. Baada ya muda kidogo, another 22,000, another 3,000 iende kwa savings. In total 50,000. Hii pesa itakusaidia kupiga hatua kama uko na bongo la biashara. Mtu ambaye ako na akili nzuri, hata 50,000 anaweza kuipigia hesabu imsaidie. Kama hauna bongo la biashara, hata ukipata 1 million ama 2 million itapotea siku moja. Ni kweli si kweli? Na kwa sababu nyinyi vijana kutoka jamii hii ya Wasomali, hii ni jamii ya bidii na jamii ya biashara, mimi najua ya kwamba hii pesa itawasaidia. Na hii program sio program ya siasa. Bora huwe kijana Mkenya kati ya ile miaka ambayo program ina target 18 to 29. You are a Kenyan citizen. It doesn't matter your political affiliation, it doesn't matter your religion, it doesn't matter your ethnicity. As long as a Kenyan, you are a beneficiary of them.
Na umurai wense omusike William Ruto chinga kicho ni gaira libagaliae na kwenekeria abantu ba Northern Kenya natagucho kupatiga magiga ase oburai bwa serikali eyo akora nabo igo kutabuna magendero nabe kawikiraniwa ase chinsemecho asinchira yabene.
Niliwaeleza we are going to correct the historical injustices against the people of Northern Kenya. And we are well underway in correcting those injustices. Vijana wengi kama hawa. In fact, wakati tuliuliza application ya program hii ya Nyota, vijana wengi hawakukuwa na ID. The first attempt, there was very poor response. Ikatubidi tulete watu wa vitambulisho watangulie. Today we have above hata zile counties zingine, vijana wengi wamejitokeza hapa Garissa kwa hii program ya Nyota, kuzidi hata vijana wa counties zingine. Because today the people of Northern Kenya can access their birth certificates, identification cards, they can access their passports, bila ya kuulizwa maswali mengi na bila ya kutatizwa na kufanyiwa vetting. Leo vijana wa hapa Garissa wanapata nafasi kama vijana wengine wote wa taifa letu la Kenya. Watoto wa hapa ni sawa na watoto wa taifa lote la Kenya. It was the worst form of injustice for anybody to profile a whole region on matters of citizenship. Citizenship is a right that cannot be contested. It is a constitution.
Na asenseme yo natukorire kionga chinse isano na ibere chabona mugaso kiro cha utokiri chitagika 12 kurende tobusaguska kendra kubwatia emirobere iya Getembe TV kuwa muno murobere wo cyoso asembeo litukeriga ya Jumatano omurobere o vibes on vibes muno rareto asore nere DJ Creepers na Voigo Wiza a Crown. Tobusaguska kendra tobwatia chinse mo cha Facebook Getembe TV na chinse mo cha YouTube na robo na Getembe TV. Nkuru kwa Matilda Obaigwa tomira nanda sekionga chinse 10 sharero murbo.
Ine nugane